This year we're asking people to do something a bit different for us, and we're asking them to be really aware of their blood group. At any time in Scotland we need to maintain between 5 and 7 days stock of all 8 blood groups, main blood groups. And right now, for example, we're actually calling for donors who are O positive and A positive, who are actually 2 of the most common blood groups in Scotland. So we're asking donors to go online to look at the page in ScotBlood. It's a really clear way of seeing how much blood Scotland needs at the moment, and actually seeing if the blood bag's emptying, it's your type we're calling for. So we'll continue to write to donors and invite them to come along and give blood, but just check the blood stocks online and you can see whether actually it's you that we really need at the minute, you know, so, and make that extra special effort to come along and give blood.
If I could thank the person personally who gave the blood to save my little boy, I would. We'll never know who that person was. So we'll be eternally grateful, and I would urge everybody to donate blood because you could save a life. My husband and I are deemed very incompatible. I have the KL antibody and he is KL positive. He has a 50-50 chance of fathering a positive child. So at 16 weeks pregnant, we underwent free fetal DNA and discovered that Harrison was indeed KL positive. At 32 weeks, his antibody levels were deemed too high, and we were sent to the Southern in Glasgow to undergo his first blood transfusion within the womb. He had that at 32 weeks, and then he had a second one at 34 weeks and was delivered by section at 35 weeks. He had a further third transfusion once he was 2 weeks old, which was much easier when he was on the outside as opposed to being in the womb.
Every donor makes a vitally important difference, and we're going to need all blood donors over the whole summer. But actually right now there's some groups that we are looking for more than others. So please make that extra special effort to give, and you can, by checking the blood stocks, you can give at a time when we need you most of all, and actually when patients in Scotland need you most of all.